Good morning, teacher. My name is Gissella Taborda from 10th grade, and I will present my brochure. My artisanal ice cream shop called is Ice Cream Paradise. My artisanal ice cream shop offers different products made with natural ice cream. The products we offer sample ice cream, special ice cream tacos, ice cream steak, ice cream cup, ice cream case, and banana split. We have offer on Wednesday and Sundays all day. The advantages of coming to my ice cream shop is that your products are natural, the prices are accessible, and service is good. We are address 3A, number 21A, 14D, Country Colombia, and City Florencia. Thank you for attention.